Welcome to our guide on building a custom AI chatbot using customgpt.ai. Let's dive in. AI chatbots can enhance customer engagement, save time, and provide 24/7 service, making them invaluable for businesses. Let's set up your customgpt.ai account and navigate the dashboard together. It's simple and user-friendly. Understanding your chatbot's purpose and audience is crucial. Identify what problems it will solve. Customize your chatbot's personality and tone of voice to resonate with your audience, whether it's friendly, professional, or quirky. Using customgpt.ai, you can create detailed conversational flows and intents to guide user interactions. Enhance your chatbot's functionality by integrating external APIs and databases to pull in real-time data. Next, it's important to thoroughly test your chatbot with various scenarios and user inputs to ensure it works as expected. Deploy your chatbot on your website or popular messaging platforms to reach your audience wherever they are. Finally, monitor your chatbot's performance and gather user feedback for continuous improvement and optimization.